Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Skarayu and my friends.
Dewi Puspita.
Here we will explain about microcontrollers, about how to assemble and run a DC motor speed program with in-direction input. This simulation aims to show how we can control the direction of a DC motor clockwise as well as anti-clockwise or CCW using an Arduino microcontroller. Now let's see how we can implement a DC motor speed system using available technologies, namely Arduino Uno and Proteus. Arduino Uno is very popular microcontroller, while Proteus is a simulation software that allow us to test electronic circuit without having to physically build them. And the first, we will assemble using the components available in the Proteus library, types such as a microcontroller in form of Arduino, a coupler, DC motor, two pass button, relay, relay to pin, DC voltmeter, resistor, NPN or bipolar transistor, and then ground and uh, plus a switch. And then select OK all components. Then we will set up the connection and assemble between this component to create a motor speed control circuit that suits our needs. This DC motor will be controlled by an Arduino microcontroller, which will be the brain of the system. By using only the output pin on the Arduino, we will control the speed of the motor. Then there is a relay that function as a driver to regulate the flow of power to the DC motor. This relay will be activated or deactivated by the Arduino according to the command given. To ensure safe isolation of the control signal, we use an optocoupler. This optocoupler helps us separate the control logic from the motor power circuit, thus avoiding potential problems. Then there is a optocoupler which is used to stabilize untuk menstabilkan atau stabilize the voltage. We have also add an indicator, namely LED, that will display the direction of rotation of the motor, whether clockwise or CW or counterclockwise CCW. Then also add two push button. For the first push button is used to power the motor, while the second push button used to determine the direction. Here also add the switch to change the direction of rotation of the motor to right or clockwise. And then this is a time chart for the tax 5. Next.
After has installed, next I will create program using the Arduino. This program will motor speed control CW and CCW. For the first, define power 0. Define the power pin analog pin 0. This is pin used to read the status of the first switch of power. And then define CCW 1. Define the CW and CCW pin as pin analog 1. It is pin used to read status of the second switch, direction switch that control direction the second motor. And then define relay 113. When the relay when pin as digital pin 13, the pin use control the relay that control the direction of first motor. And then define relay to 9, define the relay to pin as digital pin 9. The pin use control the relay that control the direction of second motor. For its setup, the setup function is execute only on the Arduino in first input pin mode CW, CCW input and relay 1 and relay 2 output. Void loop. The void loop function apart program the execute continue after setup. And digital read power and when jika nilai saklar on and then digital read relay 1 high motor CW L digital read relay 1 low motor CCW and jika nilai saklar on digital read relay 2 high motor CCW. Then after the program complete, the click verify. Then the copy program output. Copy and the Proteus. After copy, double click in the Arduino microcontroller. Paste the program in program file and then OK. For the first condition, low, low. So the motor does not rotate. The second, high, low. So motor rotates clockwise, CW. And then condition low and high. Untuk low dan high, motor is off or does not rotate. And finally, the motor push button high, motor rotates counterclockwise.
That's it for this presentation on DC motor control in the clockwise CW and counterclockwise CCW direction. I hope this presentation has provided better understanding of unidirectional and counterclockwise DC motor and inspire future work in this field. Thank you for your attention.